Here's the teriyaki chicken bowl.
It's mine.
That's yours?
Mm-hmm.
No, that's mine. Here's my son's fried rice.
Is he gonna eat it like that?
Gyoza. Okay, that's enough, baby.
Is he gonna eat that with that on it?
There's the sweet and sour chicken with rice. There's the sweet and sour. There's some egg drop soup. And some spring rolls.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I love it. The spring rolls are delicious. Is that good?
These are literally the best. These are literally the best spring rolls I've ever had in my life. They like melt in your mouth. Baby, this is really good. So good.
So there's not a lot of choices and places to eat in Wartburg. But I would say this is definitely the best, unless you might like Mexican more than Japanese, in which case there's a pretty good Mexican restaurant here too.